what Kenya Police were able to do, and it is win their game 5-2 against Bungoma. But we also had Zidek Sparks playing against Nakuru City Queens. In this game, Nakuru City Queens won 2-1. We also had the Ulinzi Starlets who were playing against Dadia, and the Ulinzi Starlets also were able to get that instrumental 3-0 victory. So yesterday, you'll remember, we were having a conversation about how important it is to integrate the different able players to the different leagues that we have in the country, and that is something that is happening at the handball league here in the country. Mberia, you'll agree that there is plenty of excitement and also plenty of action happening on that end, from crossing to the gymnasium, indoor arena, now to the handball court. What do we have on that end?
A beehive of activities here at Nyayo Stadium, and right now we have crossed to the handball court where the National League matches are actually ongoing. And right now the match that is on the court is pitting between Strathmore, who are playing against Boomerang. And also remember, there were two matches that also opened the day. That was the ladies' side, where Rangers actually picked a win of 50-11 against New Hope. Remember, New Hope is a women's team that actually comprises of deaf players, and this was actually one of the efforts where the National Handball Federation made an effort to see all these players are actually incepted back in 2021. So to delve much into today's matches, and actually to talk a little about the match that just ended some few minutes ago, I will talk to some of the players from the Rangers actually club, and also talk to the coach to just tell us how was the match and what was the secret behind their pivotal win today. Coach, I will talk to you later. Let me start with the players who have just seated here watching a match that is ongoing, a match that is from the men's side. Thank you so much. Welcome on Scoreline. Just tell us your name and of course which position do you play in the field, and how was today's match?
My name is Belinda Mulongo. I play position center, and we've played against the
New Hope.
The New Hope team. We've scored 50-11 scores.
As a player, what was the secret behind your win today?
Our secret was where we have been using fast breaks and quick starts.
It be. Coach, welcome so much on Scoreline. Start with your name, and of course you have picked a win in today's round of the league. How do you feel? Start with the name, then how do you feel about today's match?
My name is Gerald Juma. I'm the coach of Rangers, and about today's match, the first match, we played well. We've won, and it's a good thing for the team. Because we are trying to get to the top rank of the league, and we're getting the win is a morale booster for their girls. Yeah.
Maybe how competitive is it, considering your third match? How is it?
Competitive, in terms of competitive, this league is very competitive because the ladies are playing round robin. There's a first leg and the second leg. So come the second leg, you know, everybody will be tying up their laces well, and it will be a tough match going up. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'll speak to you first, and actually speak to the lady. Tell us your name, and as a fan, how do you take of the National Handball League?
My name is Randy. So I think it's also a better platform for the young players to showcase what they can. It's also a good way to pass the weekend doing what you love. You can't play. It's also better to be a fan. Currently, we are having a game that is almost evenly. So it's a good match that we're enjoying to watch. Yeah.
How captivating is the league?
Currently, I'll say that maybe for the top 6 or the top 8, there are a lot of competition. But other than that, not much is available.
As a player, how do you see the state of our handball, of course, league, national team, and the competitions that are being held every day?
Okay, so the state of the National League, just like my
fellow players said here, we wish to see more. We wish handball could be played away from Nairobi because currently it's just being played around, and we would want to see more of it and visit other towns and play the same game.
Yes, that was one of the fans just telling us some of the efforts that are actually enacted to see the league, both men and the ladies side, are actually bettered and attract a huge number of fans. And today we've seen actually more fans coming out here at the Nyayo Handball Arena just to witness their clubs playing. So we shall be bringing up to speed